We're going to be looking at how we can actually start styling these three icons over here. So the Stack Overflow, the Reddit, and the HTML5. So we want to look them more similar to this part over here. So that's the next part of this. So back to your CSS and locate your social link box here. And we're going to add a little bit extra to this. First of all, we're going to use something called, again, the justify. We already know that, but we're going to use, we've been using this center a lot. We're going to use a new one called space around in this case. And we're going to just quickly see what that actually does. So if you remember, if I had this, I'm actually going to show you the center one first. So center, and I hit refresh, and you see now it centers all these three objects or icons in the center of our div box here. We know this one. Space around does something a little bit different. Let's click save. Once I hit refresh, it's going to create space around them, funnily enough, and equal space around them. So this is kind of, I think it's like, let's say 20 and 40, 40 and 20. So again, 20 on each side, which means 20, 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20, and 20. If we look at this, those are closer put together and we can easily fix this by actually adding a padding to this. So again, this is why we're using box sizing from before. So we're going to create a padding. We don't want anything from the top. And I think we want 30 pixels from the right of the page, and then we want again 0 from the bottom and 30 from the left. So I could write it like this if I had to write everything out, but since they are sort of the same, 0 from bottom and top and 30 from right and left, I can just do this, so it just goes a loop. So top first for 0, 30 for right, 0 for bottom, 30 for left. Let's click save, go refresh, and now you can see we're actually starting to create the navigation very similar to this one. Next part we're going to do is we're going to add all the text in this area here, and we're also going to add links to it and start styling those. So that's the next part of, and also this smart sexy hover here. Woo! So that's the next video we're going to watch.